What's up guys, thank you for checking out the Trustman channel. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to take off a deadbolt lock. So as you can see, each of those sides doesn't have any screws or anywhere to put the flathead or screwdriver. So what you're gonna need is a Allen key. There's a little hole right there, if you can see in that video. Just put the Allen key in there, put it in, and you're gonna be twisting it to the left. So I'm gonna try to put it in here. Once I get it in, I'll twist it, twisting it to the left, and just do it all the way until it comes off. Keep twisting it. Okay, I think I got it now. Okay, that comes off. That part comes off too. And then once you got those parts off, there's the screws. And I'm gonna get my drill bit. Pick up these two screws. It's better to have a drill. Picking up the first screw. And then the second screw. Once you pick that out, it's gonna fall off. So just try to catch it. Take out one screw first. Once you're taking out the second screw, kind of hold on to the lock so it doesn't fall. Okay, got that off. And take the other piece off. And that's it. Pretty easy. And now I need to take off the last part of it. And that should be it. Thank you for checking out my video, and I'll see you at the next video. See ya.